Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chad Henry here again for you at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today I want to show you this beautiful 2014 Honda Odyssey that we just recently traded in for a much larger conversion van that they were looking for to fit their family's needs a lot better. If we can hear over that fire truck there and see through my finger, I guess. But anyway, gorgeous, gorgeous van. 2014 with 76,000 miles on it. Very, very well taken care of, nicely equipped. It's not a fully loaded model, but it does have leather interior, sunroof, of course the rear air, and as you can see here, it has the power remote sliding doors to add access in here to your middle row, obviously. Let me see if I can get on the other side and have a little better light for you. Paint's in really good condition. The truck runs and drives perfect. The leather is very impressive, with little to no wear at all, as you can see on this driver's side seat here. And this is a power seat, and of course your regular power windows and locks and mirrors, and then you have your buttons here as well to open up both the passenger and driver's side rear doors, as well as the power lift gate. Let's see if I can do that again. There we go. So your rear power lift gate, and then the power sliding side doors. Now this van does have, as you can see here, it has the really nice WeatherTech mats in there throughout the van in every row. Nice backup camera, which you're just looking at the sky now because the lift gate's open. And down here you have your USB and auxiliary and power outlets. Now this is a pretty neat feature. You can throw drinks in here, and it is what's called the cool box, and so it blows your air conditioned air down through there to keep your drinks cold while you're driving along the road. So that's a pretty cool feature that most vehicles do not have. Your center console with plenty of storage space in there, and it is Bluetooth, so you can hook your telephone up to it and have your hands-free calling. Let's do power sunroof here, and then the rear seats. Now you can take this middle section out if you so please, as well as all of this middle row. That comes out in 3 different sections. Slides forward nice and easily, and allows access to your 3rd row here, which has lots of great space, good leg room. Has your digital controls for your rear air, and then lots of storage space in the back of it with the 3rd row seats up. And these 3rd row seats, they operate very easily, so where you can drop them down into the floor and allow for a ton of cargo space if needed. Button up top drops the rear tailgate. This van does have a tow package on it. Doesn't look like it's ever been used, but it is there. But a really, really nice unit. If you're looking for something like this, we have it. We don't get them often because they do bring so much money at the auctions. They're very difficult for us to find, especially in this kind of shape. So, you know, I don't think there's going to be much to compare to it, definitely for the price that we're going to have it listed at. So give us a call today. You can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. You can see it in person at 3203 Victory Boulevard here in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Find it online at www.holidaymotors.com with tons of photos, Carfax history report, credit applications. We've got a lot of great finance companies that we work with for all different types of credit. So give us a call today. Let us know how we can help you out and earn your business. 757-487-7333. Thanks as always for watching, and have a great day.